back to the channel. Something a little bit different for this episode. I'm always trawling the internet, trying to get ideas, different ways of doing things. As you know, I do a lot of polishing, which takes hours and hours and hours, depending on what the part is and the quality of obviously what you want it to look like, how mirrored you want it, or whether you just want a brushed finish. So I do look around for alternative ways of cleaning other bits, other parts. I do find with some of the engine cases, yes, if you want a mirrored finish, then yes, you take the time, you use the tools, and you use the sandpaper, the wet and dry polishing machines, etc., etc. As you remember, with this part that I did a while ago, I've still got a long way to go. But obviously I had to go down quite a way to take all the scratches out, all the dents. So on some items like this, then yes, you have to go for the traditional way of doing things. But sometimes for other parts, I always like to look at alternatives. The thing I did come across, I actually found it a couple of months back. And I've been sort of like trying it when I can, on and off, and having a look. But it is basically an easy way to clean aluminium to whatever finish you want, whether you want it as a brush finish clean or higher to a mirror. So I actually did, I've pulled out numerous parts. I actually pulled out an old piece of exhaust pipe. As you can see, the finish is on it, and only after a couple of minutes it's up to that. Like I said, there's no sandpaper, there's no power tools. All I'm using is WD-40 scouring pads, depending on the actual level that you want. You've either got the red, which is the coarse, the green, which is the fine, a cloth to wipe off the actual WD, and a microfiber cloth to apply the polish. And like I say, that was after just a few minutes from basically that. Again, I actually started on a footrest hanger, and that started to come up again, a couple of minutes. So let me get set up. I've got a piece of aluminium. So also I'll turn this over, and we'll do this side as well. As you can see, I've already started on this piece. That is what it looked like. Can't see, only a shadow, can't see your hand. So we'll continue on with this bit. So I'll only do it for a few minutes just to give you the idea. But it is a very good, easy way. And literally that is all you need. So like I said, it depends on what level of finish you actually want. The brushed will probably be better on a coarse, but if you want a fine finish to actually does remove some of the scratches, then go for the green. So literally put the WD on and just go in one direction, back and forth. Alright, so that should do. Then with the cloth, just wipe off the excess. And as you can see the difference before and after, so it does give you sort of a brushed aluminium effect. If that's the effect you want, then stop at that point when you're happy with the actual finish you want. So next, with your metal polish, any polish that you've actually got in wherever part of the world. I use Autosol, but there is obviously America, Mothers, etc. Right, that should just about do it for so that's what I started with. As you can see, that's nearly, you can see my hand, it's not far off the mirror. Like I said, exhaust pipes did exactly the same. Started like that, and that was probably 10 minutes, if that, just on that section. And like I say, just WD, scouring pads, cloth to wipe off the excess, metal polish, and a microfiber cloth. So something quite handy to say have a go. I did also have a go at an engine casing. That was only about 5 minutes. I say it's an old casing, so not really worried about it. But as you can see from this surface, 5 minutes. But it depends on the level of shine you actually want. But like I say, I think that gives you a fairly good idea. So any comments in the comments box below. As I say, I appreciate all your feedback, all your comments. There are links to other videos at the end of the video. I'm going to say go check them out. There's going to be a best of viewer and a playlist. Go and check out my other playlist. There's plenty in there. There's the Z650, there's the Triumph, there's the ST1100, there's the Hayabusa, and obviously there's the Project Z1170. As always, appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Join me again next time. Cheers. Bye.